Hey guys, I'm gonna make a short video of assembling this Seville 11 drawer, 2-door, 77-inch rolling workbench that I picked up from Sam's Club. It was $480, free shipping, and it's just gonna be a short video. And the first box is packaged really well. Okay, so this is everything in the first box. Got it all laid out. It's packaged really well. So this is everything from the first box that's been unwrapped. All the plastic's taken off. So, and they did a great job of wrapping this. This is like double wrapped. The handle's wrapped and taped on either end. Did a great job. Here's a shot of the packing of the second box. It also is packed really well. Here's everything out of the second box. Here's the second box with everything unboxed. And that door, or that countertop, is heavy. It's solid. And that's all the pack-in material. The drawer assembly is pretty basic. You just fold the three sides up. Once you have them up, you have a screw here, here, screws here, 3 here, 2 there. Installing the drawer is very simple. Just have to remove these plastic protectors here. This one's already removed. You just pop these off and the drawer will go right in to these tabs here. Then you screw it in here and here. And just secure the 4 screws that are here and here. And that's it. I tell you, these drawers are very secure and very sturdy, and they do come with rubber mats to put into the bottom. And that's it. Okay, so that's a great addition to the garage. I really like this Seville 11 drawer rolling cabinet. This is very sturdy. Wasn't that hard to put together. Did take me a few hours. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you decide to do this, just take your time, and I think you'll really like it. Alright, have a great day. Bye.